Hello everyone, I Sudeepti, the mental fitness and transformation coach, is once again in front of you with another beautiful topic which is part of our life, and that is every expert was once a beginner. Everyone started from zero. Have you seen a child? How once the child is born, after a few weeks, the child learns how to keep rolling on the bed. And slowly and gradually, after rolling up, the child observes people walking around that child. And then this child learns how to get down from the bed. While getting down, the child may fall also, will cry utterly, but then the child never leaves the hope. And again the child tries and observes people who are walking around, and then again gets up, summons up the courage, and then starts walking by holding things. And post that, one day the child walks without holding anything. That's how we all have grown up. But the point is that while growing up, and this is the only process how we grow up, in any case and every case, be it personal life or be it professional life, we think, we observe, and then we take action. We fall. Still we summon up the courage and we again try. We again try and we again try until we start walking on our own foot. That's how we do. How many of you have actually learned how to brush your teeth and eaten the toothpaste? I may have done it, but all of us, almost all of us, have tasted our toothpaste when we were child. I'm sure you must have, you would have also tried it before you started learning or brushing your teeth on your own. Because it used to be our mothers who used to help us to hold the brush and brush our teeth. And now we are an expert in it. Earlier, when we started learning how to drive a car or how to drive a two-wheeler, we were very much scared. We may have fallen. We may have bumped our car somewhere. But then we didn't left our practice. We kept trying until we succeed. And now we are an expert because while driving, our 2 foot are working on 3 places: accelerator, brake, and clutch. ABC. And at the same time, we are changing gears from our hand. Our eyes are looking into 4 mirrors in front, left, right, and back. And we are talking over the call, and this hand is over the steering. And sometimes we don't even hold the steering. We are so conscious. So we have practiced it. We kept practicing. We started as a beginner. And now we are an expert. Similarly, if we look up to people who are an expert, if we are looking at Amitabh Bachchan, if we are looking at Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Oprah Winfrey, Les Brown, Sandeep Maheshwari, Amar Chaudhary, Vikas Nagru, everyone, even me, we all started from zero. And I was not a very good outperformer kind of a person. I was an average performer during my classes, my schools, my education period. I have started taking interest in reading books post my graduation. So it completely is, the rule is same since we are a child. Since then, the rule is same, that you have to keep practice. Have you seen any successful person who has not failed and become successful, who has not made a mistake and have become successful? There is hardly any person who has not failed, has not made any mistake and become successful. See, the biggest mistake is that when you come to know that this is your weakness and still you live with it. That's the biggest mistake. पाप है वो पाप, अगर आपको अपनी weakness पता चल जाए और फिर भी आप उस पर action ना लो. Right? So that's a sin. If you know your weakness and you are not taking action and you are just cribbing, oh, I want to learn English, oh, I want to reduce weight, oh, I want to get up early, oh, I want to learn meditation. It's a sin if you know what is your weakness and still you are not taking initiative to get over it. Because you know the rule is same. You have to try. You may fail. You have to summon up courage. You have to try again, try again, try again, until you succeed. And that's how one day you will become an expert in it. Just like a few females, if you are watching me, you have learned how to prepare chapatis. So when we blow the chapatis, like we sometimes pull it, then we manually we do it. We roll it with the rolling pin. And then somehow, initially we make India's map through chapati, right? And gradually, when we keep practicing, we start making round chapatis. And even this time, we are not manually through our hand putting it up, taking up, and then rounding it manually. It happens by default. The chapati rolls by itself, and it's a round shaped chapati which comes out, right? So this is how it happens. This is how it works. We have to be a beginner. Please don't be scared to be a beginner. Don't do a sin. Once you come to know about your weakness, don't do a sin. Start taking action right now. This is the best time you can start. So start taking action. Keep putting your one step on a daily basis. Keep putting your one step on a daily basis. Slowly and gradually you will learn how to brush your teeth. If you don't know still, then slowly and gradually you will learn how to brush your teeth. Slowly and gradually you will learn how to speak in English. Slowly and gradually you will reduce weight. Slowly and gradually you will have the dolas in your hand. You will become a bodybuilder. Slowly and gradually you will become a beauty queen. You can have a wonderful figure, right? Slowly and gradually you will learn the different kind of skills you want to learn. But the only point is you have to take the decision and start taking action on it. That now is the time that I have to take action. The fears will come. I'm telling you. The fears will come. Even to the extent I would tell you that the situations may get worse. Some uncontrollable situations may also pop up in front. But don't get scared. Don't stop yourself. Keep taking your daily step on a regular basis. If you will remain consistent on your words, if you will remain persistent on your actions, and you will continue to be committed that daily you will take action, the whole universe will conspire to make you an expert in whatever you are practicing. This is law of attraction, and this happens with all of us. We all know. You just need to see and summon up your courage and put in your efforts on a daily basis. I have seen people during my experiences. They feel that look at so many people, they are speaking such a wonderful English. I'm unable to start. I'm not good in English. What do I do? I said, just speak. Just speak on a daily basis. Start with 5 minutes. Start with 2 minutes. If 5 seems long, start with 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and daily increase 1 minute. And slowly and gradually, you will become an expert in speaking and fluency. Once you are an expert in speaking and fluency, then focus on your grammar. Or maybe while you know that, okay, now I am consistent and persistent, that daily I will speak for 15 minutes. Now simultaneously look at the grammar as well. But don't get scared. Take the decision to start it now and start taking action. Right? So with this hope that I am able to remove the dust and show you that this is the simple rule where you need to decide the goal. You have to know that why you want to do it. You are desperate to do it. Then do a commitment with yourself because you want to increase your credibility also in the market, in front of the people who are around you, and then stay committed. Stay committed. Take action. Start practicing daily, whatever you want to learn, and you will be an expert soon because every expert was once a beginner. Bye-bye.